Before we proceed, please note that while AI is used to create this video, all information is manually researched by our team and it is not AI generated. Here in the video we will share the details for the Mercari Error Code 200-010. The error reads, "Sorry, your payment could not be processed. Please contact your card issuer for more information. Please refer to the following error code if contacting the help center regarding your payment." As per our research, the error comes during the payment. According to our research, this error mainly occurs when there is some issue with your payment method, or they are unable to match your card address against your address. Now let's come to fixes for the error. The first thing we suggest is to restart your system and try the payment again. Retry at least 2 to 3 times. For some users, the error resolves itself after trying again. If you tried the payment multiple times but keep getting the error, then make sure your card address matches your address. If your card address and address have a mismatch, then you have to try any other card with the same address as yours, or you have to update your address with them. At last, if nothing is helping with the issue, then you should reach out to the Mercari support. Thank you so much. This is all we have for this error. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.